If you are experiencing problems with Chrome Autofill not functioning on your Windows 11 device, follow these steps. First, launch Google Chrome by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once Chrome is open, click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Passwords and Autofill. Within this section, you will find various settings related to Autofill. To ensure Autofill is enabled, navigate to the main settings. Look for the option that states Offer to save passwords and passkeys. This toggle switch should be turned on. While the option to automatically create a passkey is a personal choice and not essential for basic autofill functionality, the Offer to save passwords and passkeys switch is crucial for autofill to work. If the autofill feature still does not function correctly after checking these settings, you can try resetting your Chrome browser settings to their default values. To do this, again click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Settings. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Reset Settings. On the right side, you will see an option to reset settings to their original defaults. Click this, and then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. We are suggesting a browser reset because the default configuration of Chrome typically has autofill enabled and functioning as intended. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.